Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me NOKIA C21 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this phone. Firstly, to improve battery life, you need to disable all unused features on this device, all unnecessary services. So open your control panel and take a look closer of the control panel. So firstly, we have I have Wi-Fi enabled, and I have no enabled mobile network because I have no SIM card right now in the phone. So if you are not using Wi-Fi right now but only using the mobile network, then disable the Wi-Fi. If you are only using the Wi-Fi but not using the mobile network, then disable the mobile network. This will save your battery power as the phone will not search for unused networks. If you have a choice of using the mobile network or Wi-Fi, I suggest to use Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi uses less battery power. Nextly, pay attention to Bluetooth feature. If you don't need Bluetooth right now, just turn it off, because if Bluetooth is enabled, it constantly looking for new devices nearby, and this also consumes your battery power. Moving on, Android has geolocation services enabled by default, so location services constantly looking for GPS signal, for MLRS signal. So just disable it if you don't use maps right now. So why do you need location services? Okay, and the next step is to reduce your screen brightness. So just reduce it and this will save your battery, I swear you. So if you want to use your phone as long as it's possible, just reduce your screen brightness at the minimum. Because screen consumes a lot of battery power. Okay, moving on. The next step is to enable power saving mode. In order to enable this mode, open settings, then scroll down, find here battery, and here you will see battery saver. Click turn on, and great, we have enabled battery saver mode. In this mode, your device will use less RAM, which means less battery power. In addition, power saving mode reduces the runtime when the screen is enabled, as you can see, and the brightness of the screen is also reduced in this mode. So I want to disable this mode. And that's it. This device have no super power saving mode. I don't know why, but it was removed from this device after update. But if you have this feature in your operation system, just enable it, because in this mode your device will be enabled, will have the battery power as long as it's possible. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.